In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Uphold to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any crypto asset on Uphold, you can easily transfer it to your Trezor or any other external wallet. In order to do this, from the home screen of Uphold, tap on the specific asset that you would like to transfer or choose Transact, whatever you prefer. Now, once you reach the crypto networks, select the corresponding one for your crypto. So if you are sending Bitcoin, for example, choose that corresponding network, the same for XRP, and so on. Once you choose the proper crypto asset from here, you will be able to select the same one on the destination, so make sure that they match, and you will be asked to input a wallet address. This is going to be the wallet address from Trezor or any other external wallet that you are using. So if you already have this address, simply paste it here and you will be good to go. If you still need to set up your wallet on Trezor, then connect your Trezor to a PC or laptop, make sure that it is unlocked, and then open the Trezor Suite app or the software. In here, use the plus sign at the left to add a new account. So tap the plus sign, and this will allow you to add a new account. Make sure that you chose the corresponding asset depending on what you are sending over. So once you have selected the corresponding asset, it is going to be created. So for example, if you chose Bitcoin, a Bitcoin wallet address will be generated. And now all that you have to do is copy this address. So show the full address, copy this, and now you can go back into Uphold or any other external wallet and then paste it here to finish making this transaction. It is simple to do, and I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was set up accordingly. If the small amount goes through, then you are good to go and you can send the rest afterwards. It is easy to do, and it is going to work with any asset as long as you set up the wallets properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Uphold to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.